If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To sign out of QuickBooks Online, click the User button in the upper right corner of the screen. Then click the Sign Out button in the drop-down menu. Also, note you can click the Manage Your Intuit account link in the menu to open a web page that lets you change account settings if needed. Alternatively, to sign out if you have multiple company files linked to your Intuit ID, you can click the Sign In with a different account link in the Choose Your Company page that appears when you log in to QuickBooks Online. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.